Hi everyone, my name is Sarah Johnson. Um, my first year field placement was at Turning Points for Children, which I just assisted the visitation area with the court-ordered visits. I would document what went on between the biological family and the foster child. And then I also work full time at a nursing home as a social worker. Um, so in both my job and my previous field placement, I have worked with families in different ways. Um, I saw a lot of, I see a lot of family dynamics in both my full-time job and the field placement. I analyze the relationships that I see, whether they be positive or more negative. Um, and so the basic structure of my family system that I was raised in was raised with both my mother and father. I have an older brother. Um, and we had a positive relationship. We still do. Um, and the role that I play in my family, um, I feel that I have a lot of different roles. I feel since my brother is away, he's out of state and doesn't live as close to my parents. I feel that I usually am the one that they contact more when they need something. Um, Not that my brother isn't around, but it's harder for him to see them. He's not as accessible, we'll say. Um, so, and also me being the younger sibling, um, I feel as though with younger siblings, parents are sometimes more strict with them growing up because with their first child, they're learning a lot more. So, and because having a brother, it seems that not only my parents, but I've noticed with some of my friends, their parents are more protective of them as women, um, and may let them do certain things or not do certain things. But anyways, so with that role that I play in my family, with helping my parents out and also helping out my grandparents, um, I see myself working well in my nursing home job because my family is going through the process of my Nana and Papa becoming older and facing certain challenges. They did sell their house a couple of years ago. They did have to move to a senior living community, so they're giving up their independence, really. That is a part of life, but it's been pretty difficult. So having my family go through that firsthand, I feel I'm able to better empathize with the families that I see at the nursing home that I work at. Um, as for some burning questions for family work, I do want to learn more about the relationships of the parents and how that affects the children. Because I've known people who have studied marriage and family therapy, and I've wanted to learn more about that, and maybe, to be quite honest, develop a certain patience with it. So yeah, that's kind of what I kind of want to learn a little more about, because I have really no experience in it, and I felt that with relationships, whether they be husband and wife, boyfriend, girlfriend, I do want to learn more about that and how, and almost counseling two people at once. I want to gain a better skill set with that because I am very much one-on-one person. So it's definitely the main thing I want to focus on learning for this course. So I'm looking forward to watching the rest of the videos, and I thank you for watching mine. I look forward to talking to you again soon. Thanks.